Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, and in this video I will show you how to insert the SD card in this device, and I will also show you how to transfer apps to your SD card. So let's start. So here on the right side of this Surface Laptop Studio 2, you see this micro SD card slot. So you have to insert your SD card here. So first of all, what you have to do, you see this cutting side of the SD card, you have to keep it on the opposite direction. So you have to keep it like this, and then you have to insert it inside this SD card slot. So I will just insert it like this. Now what you have to do, you have to just push it inside. So I will just push it like this, and then one more time you have to push it. So once you push it like this, the micro SD card is now inserted in your device, and it will also open this window about this SD card. So here you can see the SD card is little out from the device. So this is okay. So it means it is properly adjusted inside the device. Now I will also show you how to take it out. So what you have to do, you have to just push it inside again. So I will just push it one time like this, and then it will come out, and then you can easily remove it. Okay, and you will also hear this sound on your device. So again I will insert it like this, and then I will just push it like that, and one more time I will push it. So here you can see you hear a sound of click. That means it is adjusted properly. So this is how it looks like inside your device, and it will also open this window on your device. Now in the second step, I will show you how to move apps to this SD card. So first of all, I will close this window, and then I will select this start menu, and then from here I will go inside the settings. So here is the settings icon. Once you go inside the settings, on your left side, you see this option of apps. So here is the apps. So I will select it. Once you select this apps, here you see the very first option is about installed apps. So I will select this installed apps option, and then it will show you all the apps that are available in your device. For example, I want to transfer this app. Name of the app is Concepts. Okay, so here you see on the front we have these three dots. So I will select these three dots, and then here you see the second option is about move. Okay, so I will select this move option. Once you select this move option, it will show you this small window, and here it is saying this app is currently installed on local disk C, and then it is giving you the option select a drive to move this app to, and here it is showing me my SD card. So you see this SDHC that means this is the SD card. So if you select this menu, it will show you the other option, but here we don't have any other option. So we have to select this SDHCD, which is my SD card. And then here it is showing you the option of move. So I will select this move option, and now it will start moving this app into my SD card. And here it will also show you the bar about the movement. The next thing that I want to mention here is you cannot move all apps to your SD card. You can only move some specific apps to the SD card. So you have to check it by yourself. Here you can see on front of all the apps we have these three dots option. So you can select these three dots, and then here you see this move option is showing, but here it is not highlighted or you cannot select it. So here you can see, so that means you cannot move this app. So only some specific apps you can move, and here you can see the process is going on. We just have to wait for a few seconds. So the app is completely transferred to my SD card, and now I will show you the next step. So if you select these three dots again, and here if you select this move option, now this time it is showing you this window, and it is giving you this message. This app is currently installed on SDHCD. That means this app is now completely moved to my SD card. And then if you want to move it back to this device, so here you can see it is giving you the option of local disk. So everything is done now. Now I will check this app if this app is working properly. So I will just minimize this window, and now I will open this app. So here is the app. So I will just open it, and we just have to wait for a few seconds to launch this app. So here you can see the app is opening, and then I will also try to work on this app. So basically it's a drawing app, and then I will try different tools. So here you can see everything is working perfectly fine in this app. So here you can see I am trying to use different tools on this app. So here you can see everything is working fine. The next thing that I want to mention here is, for example, if I remove my SD card and then I will try to open this app, so this app will not work. So for example, if I close this app and now I will take out my SD card. So I will take out my SD card and then I will try to open this app. So here I will try to open. So here you can see it is showing me this message, this app can't open. So here you can see it is giving you all the details. Now for example, I will just close this window, okay, and now I will push this SD card inside, okay, and then now I will try to open this app. Okay, so everything is done, and now I will try to open this app. So here you can see this time the app will work perfectly fine. So I will close this window, and then I will show you this app, and then I will also try to work. So here you can see everything is working perfectly fine when you insert back your SD card. In the next step, I will show you how to move different files to your SD card. So I will close this window, and then I will open this file folder, and then here, for example, I select this pictures. Okay, and then from here you can select any picture. So I open this screenshot folder, and here, for example, I select this image. Okay, and now I want this image inside my SD card. So I want to move this image. So first of all, select the image or the file that you want to move, and then here is the copy option. So I will select this copy, and then what you can do is from here you can see it is showing my SD card here. So you can just select this SD card from here, and then inside the SD card you can create a new folder. So here is the new option. I will just select it, and here it is giving me different options. I will select the first option, which is folder. Okay, so it will create a new folder for me. So here you can see a new folder has been created. Now what you can do is, if you want to change its name, you can change it, and then I will open this folder, and once you go inside this folder you can paste that image. So here is the paste option. So I will select it, and then here you can see it start transferring that image from my device into the SD card. So here you can see the image is now transferred, and now for example, if you want to open it, you can open it from here. You can just directly select it, and the image is in front of you. So guys, same way you can also transfer videos, images, and other files into your SD card. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.